What's up, Peak Timers? Happy 4th of July! To celebrate, we're gonna do a red, white, and blue Hot Wheels tournament. Let's find out which color is the fastest. And here is race number 1 cars on the starting grid. For the blue team, we've got the Mercedes AMG GT3 and the Mazda Miata MX-5. Representing the white team, we've got the Dodge Charger and the Ford Focus RS. Representing red team, the Mercedes Unimog and the Honda CRX. Here we go, race number 1. On your mark, get set, go! And the Mazda MX-5 Miata takes the win, representing blue team. It will move on to the finals. And we're all set for race number 2. Race number 2 is represented from the white team by the Porsche 911 GT3 RS, King Cuda. And the red team is represented by the BMW M2 and the Nissan 2000 GTR. And blue team is represented by the Mustang Funny Car and the BMW M2. Here we go, race number 2. On your mark, get set, go! And King Cuda takes it for Team White and moves on to the finals. And race number 3 cars are on the starting grid. Let's see who's representing each team. For white team, we've got the McLaren 720S and Cool Combi. For the red team, we've got the 2018 Mustang GT and the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. And for team blue, we've got the Porsche 934.5 and the Ford F-150. Here we go, race number 3. On your mark, get set, go! And the Honda Civic Type R takes the win for Team Red. Now we've got one color from each team represented. Let's get to race number 4. Race number 4 cars on the starting grid. Let's see the teams. We've got the blue team represented by the Chrysler Pacifica and the Bugatti Chiron. And for team white, we've got the Ford Shelby Mustang GT350R and the Lamborghini Veneno. And for team red, we've got the Porsche 356 and the Custom Mustang. Here we go, race number 4. On your mark, get set, go! And the Chrysler Pacifica for Team Blue takes the win and moves on to the finals. And we are all set for our 5th race, the last qualifying race before the finals. We've got for red team, the Ferrari LaFerrari and the Camaro ZL1. And for Team White, we have got the Mazda REPU pickup truck and the BMW M2. For Team Blue, we've got the Nissan Fairlady Z and the Ford GT Race. Here we go, race number 5. On your mark, get set, go! The BMW M2 takes the win and moves on to the finals. And we are all set for our final race. These are the 5 winning cars. For Team Red, we've got the 2018 Honda Civic Type R. For Team White, it's represented by the BMW M2 and King Cuda. And for Team Blue, we've got the Mazda MX-5 Miata and the Chrysler Pacifica. Let me know in the comments down below which color are you going for before we get the race started. All right, let's get it on. Here we go, on your mark, get set, go! What a final race! The 2018 Honda Civic Type R for Team Red takes the win, and Team Red is our champion for today. I just want to wish all the American Peak Timers a happy 4th of July. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.